Welcome everyone to today's explainer. If you've got 10 grand to spend and you are hunting for a used car, you are in the exact right place. We are on a very specific mission today. Our goal is to find you a dependable, budget-friendly used car that isn't going to completely drain your bank account with constant, unexpected repair bills. And just for some context, a surprise trip to the mechanic currently averages over $600 a pop. Nobody wants that. We're all looking for that diamond in the rough, right? That perfect ride that gives you incredible value without the massive headache. So, which models actually deliver on this promise of reliability at this specific price point? Well, let's find out.
But first, we really have to address the elephant in the room. Are there actually reliable cars out there for under $10,000? It's a completely genuine question, because this is exactly where so many buyers make their very first and often most expensive mistake. You're scrolling through the listings, you see these cheap, incredibly shiny, freshly washed cars, and it is so easy to think you've hit the jackpot. But are those listings actually trustworthy? Before you hand over your hard-earned cash, you need to know exactly what you are looking at. Because I promise you, a fresh coat of wax can hide an absolute mountain of mechanical misery.
And that brings us to Section 1. Looks good on paper, the $10,000 promise.
Now, we have to acknowledge just how incredibly tempting these cars can be. When you're shopping in this $10,000 tier, you're looking at vehicles that offer beautifully roomy interiors, decent power, and sometimes even luxury or hybrid features that fit perfectly into a normal everyday budget. We absolutely love the idea of getting a premium experience without that massive new car price tag. And when you look at the hard data, the quick verdict is that some specific 2010 to 2013 models are absolute standouts. We are talking about the 2011 Cadillac DTS, the 2011 Buick Lucerne, the 2013 Buick Verano, the 2011 Chevy Volt, and the 2012 Chevy Malibu. Why these specific cars? Well, just look at their J.D. Power reliability scores. They're sitting firmly in that highly impressive 88 to 93 range. On paper, these are the undisputed champions of the under 10K market. They are absolutely worth considering. But remember, a high score on a piece of paper is only half the story.
Let's move right along to Section 2, Maintenance Matters. And this is all about why reliability scores can lie. Here is the main problem with these budget used cars. Those incredibly high reliability scores we just talked about, they are entirely built on the backs of well-maintained examples. It is such an easy trap to fall into. You see a shiny exterior and a low price tag, it looks perfect, and you're ready to sign the papers right then and there. But underneath that shiny paint could be a totally different hidden reality. I'm talking skipped oil changes, a failing engine, and looming repair bills that could literally double your investment in just a matter of months. Once a previous owner starts ignoring those early warning signs, repair costs climb incredibly fast. Neglect changes absolutely everything. Even the most robust V8 engines or advanced hybrid systems absolutely demand a proper service history to survive. Which leads us directly into our next reality check. Section 3. Aging components. You just have to expect wear at this price. 100,000 plus miles. That is the major milestone you really need to watch. We just need to be fully realistic here for a second. Even if you find a highly reliable platform that was treated fairly well, you are still dealing with older machines. The car might be fundamentally sound, but rubber degrades, metal wears down, and parts just get tired over time. Once that odometer crosses the 100,000-mile line, the everyday wear and tear becomes palpable. When you're out there taking it for a test drive, this is exactly when you're going to start noticing things like rough shifts in the transmission, maybe a few random dashboard lights flickering on and off, or a noticeably firmer, clunkier ride over bumps than you might expect from, say, a luxury Cadillac or a Buick. It's a totally critical factor in your buying decision.
So let's break down exactly what that means for your wallet. You have got to watch these hidden ownership costs because they will sneak up on you. First off, thirsty V8s. Those big, powerful engines in the Cadillac DTS and the Buick Lucerne, they are fantastic to drive, but they will absolutely add up at the gas pump. Second, if you're looking at that Chevy Volt, hybrid battery health checks are absolutely mandatory, no exceptions. A dead Volt battery can cost upwards of $5,000 to $8,000 to replace. That would wipe out your entire budget in a single afternoon. And finally, just remember that parts for older luxury models often carry a premium price tag. You always need to budget for far more than just the initial purchase price.
All right, we've covered the risks, so let's shift gears into the solution phase. Section 4. Your checklist. Never skip the inspection. Look, hope is not a strategy when it comes to buying a cheap used car. You need a rigorous process if you actually want to protect your wallet. Step 1, you must review the full service records. Step 2, take it for a comprehensive test drive, and you're specifically feeling for smooth shifting and listening for any unusual noises.
Step 3, check every single warning light and test all the interior electronics. Press every button. Step 4, and this is the absolute biggest one. Get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. Have them hook up an OBD scanner and check for any hidden engine codes. And finally, Step 5, physically get under there and check for rust and fluid leaks. Do not skip a single one of these steps. Now, I want to add a quick pro tip here that is totally vital. Prioritize records over the specific badge on the hood. Within these recommendations, a complete, spotless service history is your true north. In fact, if you happen to find a well-documented, meticulously maintained Toyota Avalon or a Toyota RAV4, those are phenomenal, extra dependable choices that you should jump on immediately. The overarching lesson here is that the service history and the results of that mechanic's inspection matter far, far more than the specific trim level or whatever shiny features a car happens to have. Which brings us to our final verdict. Section 5, inspect before you buy, because smart buyers check everything. To summarize our deep dive for this explainer, models like the Cadillac DTS, the Buick Verano, and the Chevy Malibu truly can be some of the absolute best, most reliable cars you can find under $10,000 right now. But you have to remember, history beats hype. Inspect carefully, and whatever you do, do not buy blind. If you find one of these top-scoring models with clean, documented records, you can drive off that lot with total confidence. But if you try to take shortcuts, if you just trust the shiny paint and a good JD Power score from 10 years ago, you risk turning what looks like a great deal into a very expensive, very painful lesson. So, the next time you see that perfect $10,000 listing glowing on your screen, you have to ask yourself, what is it hiding? And do you have the records to prove otherwise? Thanks for joining me on